front of the train. Both of y'all, right
In
here.
front of the train, blazing. In front of the train.
Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Chrysalis_8 bringing you my first ever video with these Vinterran members. We've got the lovely K-Seract, and then we've got the even lovelier Blazing Star 23.
No, I'm not.
And we got a Snurg in the background. Hello there, Snurg. Basically, train game, kill your friends, try to survive. Hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray.
Okay.
I'm British of you.
Oh, he's over
Shall we board the train now? Train time! Oh,
can't get on that way.
Wait.
cannot get on the train.
Over here. Stairs.
Ooh,
Stairs.
very fancy.
Stairs.
When were these invented?
Where did blazing go?
Wait. I'm small. Guys, we're the cool kids. We're all in the table. Because we're all on the table together.
Oh, do I have the...
So we do some reading now to understand what roles
I'm
are.
short.
Hey, who's short? I'm also short. Short gang.
I'm short gang.
Short gang. Short gang.
Short gang. Short gang.
Yeah.
Hello there, Lobster.
Hello.
You kind of blend into the maroon walls of the train there.
I'm a midget.
Oh, short gang.
That-
Short gang.
Hey,
Yeah,
you're also short.
short gang.
Yeah, we're part of the short collective.
Wow, the short people.
Short.
Wow, loser.
Wow.
Wow, imagine being invisible.
The gang is so much
Imagine
cooler,
being
guys.
invisible.
Are you
Imagine
invisible?
being invisible, man.
There's two people
Imagine being
invisible
invisible.
here.
Invisible.
Imagine being
That's
short.
crazy.
Losers.
Simply,
I
you can
can't-
try me.
I see
I'll
you
have my
guys, I'm
short
sorry.
people. F you. We are the short.
Oh my god.
We are the short people.
Oh, but you
We are the
have-
short people.
We are the short people. We are the short people. Short people collective.
Short gang is here.
I don't care.
Oh, what's going on?
We are the short collective.
We are the short people. Yeah.
Short people.
Yeah.
That was a good
Short
sleep.
people. We need a plan.
We do need a
Oh,
plan.
hold on, wait.
What's our plan then?
Yeah.
Short people
I
collective.
don't. We are the short people.
We are the short people gang.
We are the short people.
All three of y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you
Oh my gosh. You scared me there, Coco. This is very interesting.
That's what happened when you're not short. That's what happened.
Mm-hmm.
We short people shall win this.
We stick together.
Stick together.
We
So
stick
I-
together.
I was...
Stick together, die together.
Okay, I'm killing Lobster now. I haven't
You're not
found
one of
anything.
us.
You're not one of
You
us.
right?
Get out.
Wait a minute. Did you hear that?
What?
No.
Nothing. I thought I heard something.
What?
Either I didn't hear it or something going on with you.
Did you guys not hear Simply?
No, he's
It's only
dead.
not a killer, mate.
I swear I heard him.
Wait,
Like,
wait.
Oh my
Wait,
god, the
move,
short
move,
people.
Move.
Jesus
Move.
Christ.
We are the short
I need some fresh air, like genuinely right now. I hear you. Simply, I hear you. How do I hear you?
Hi.
Oh, I like your sparkles. Simply, show yourself. I hear you. And I don't know why I hear you. Are you okay, Coco?
Yeah, why?
I need some fresh air. Is it safe here? I'm scared. I've been hearing voices. I need a drink.
So scary.
I need a drink.
Wait, Chrysalis?
Yeah, this is gonna make sense to one person only. Yes.
Chrysalis?
Yes.
Chrysalis?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Are
Yes.
you going insane?
Can you hear me, Chrysalis?
Yes.
Chrysalis, hello?
Yes, I can.
Oh my
Tiny,
god.
okay, I see.
Chris lost it.
Oh, wait, I got that roll, and you wanna know what's really annoying about that?
Yeah.
Dude, Snurk just
Oh my god.
popped. Bro, he just popped up, told me I was killer, and then I tried to kill him.
Look out!
And then-
Oh, that's embarrassing. So, I think
I'm
I.
really thinking,
I think I
thought he was
imprinted.
just- yeah, you imprinted on him.
What?
Oh, hey, so
Hello, Johanna. I don't
Hey.
know.
Hey.
Yeah?
Chrysalis, can you go kill Lobster?
I am gonna do that.
Yes, just kill him.
3,
Just kill
2,
him.
1.
I was just standing there and got shot.
Oh, he's
Oh
right.
shit.
Hello.
Killer.
Ah, yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Oh, take that.
Aw.
Anyways, yeah. Doesn't matter. That's all I wanted from you. Thank you, Chrysalis. Thank you for listening to my
He
thoughts
cried
as
over
killer.
his corpse.
I'm 99% sure Chrysalis somehow got my killer roll.
Yeah, no, I imprinted. I could like
Chrysalis was able to hear me.
any dead roll, like sorry, but body. I could like interact with them to steal their roll.
Oh, so you took my roll. Okay.
You
So that's how you got the damned one. Okay. So you can
Wait, then
hear
how did you
ghosts,
hear the
which is
people
why I
that were
told
dead?
Chrysalis to kill Lobster.
Okay, Chris.
Hey, hello there, my skin. I want to join this party. Hey, wait up, wait up.
Party in room 1.
Party in the room 1A.
USA.
Simply, you want to join us?
Oh,
Sure. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wow, you're so short, man. You're short.
You're short again.
Little short guy over there.
Lobster is always short.
Back up to the.
He's small. Cannon lobster.
Sora, you want to let us in there?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Let me in.
Let's eat some popcorn.
I can hear the popcorn.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Yesterday. Oh gosh, that's loud.
I want to get fruit.
Why is there?
Oh.
Why is there a firecracker?
What was
Chrysalis?
Hello there, Pinkie Pie. Oh, it's always scary when it's
I
quiet.
was so depressed last round. I had to get surgery to become taller.
What am I hearing?
No. So devastated when you died. I was so devastated. Did you see me? Did you see me go full down breakdown?
I was literally watching the entire time.
I was so depressed. I couldn't. I was like, I don't care if I die or not. I was
Hey, so
thankful
y'all are
to
kind of
the
blocking the corridor?
Chris, shut up. You betrayed us.
No, it's because, you know, I had
Move.
a change in life.
Move.
In.
Oh, it's okay.
Move.
Hey, hello?
Oh.
Okay, I need a stack. Good luck, guys. I always love a good bit of shenanigans. So, what's going on here? Y'all are a bit quiet.
We're standing here having a nice time. Yeah.
Not for long. Oh, hello there! Do you have something to say, Nick? Oh, so that's what you're gonna be like. Oh, good. Oh. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Hello there, Silent.
Hello. Beep boop.
Beepity beep
I
boop.
love the feather roll so much. I can just pass through everybody without.
It is such a good roll.
Yeah.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop.
Oh, there you are, Casseract.
Oh, it's a firecracker.
Does it do anything?
Oh,
Oh.
there we go.
Beep boop.
Beepity boop boop. You better not die. That's all I'm gonna say. You better not die.
Beep boop.
Beepity boop boop.
I like how you always look back to see him.
Beep boop. Beep boop.
Beep boop beep
You can
beep.
pass through.
Beep,
Pass through.
beep, boop.
Pass through.
Thank you, Mega. Oh, there's a bit of a hold up.
Hold up in the hallways.
Hold up in the hallway.
Who said Blaze?
Blaze.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh my!
Beep,
Oh,
boop, beep,
that's
boop.
illegal. You can't do that.
Why?
You know what? Let's ignore these. Follow me.
I just saw a murder.
People move.
Beep
Did you
boop.
see that?
Kiss for no reason.
There was a murder.
Beep boop.
Kiss no love.
Almost dead.
It's going.
It's going great,
Beep boop.
Nick.
Beep
Does
boop.
anyone have a gun?
Are you having a lot of fun?
You're gonna love
What's
Nick this round.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Beep boop. Beep boop.
What's your favorite color?
Beep boop.
Oh, this
That's
conversation.
a great color. I agree.
Riveting. Riveting
Beep boop. Beep
conversation.
boop.
Oh, something finally
Beep boop.
happened.
Okay.
Who said
Thank you
that?
so much.
Hello? What did you do with the buddy?
Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep
Snurk, come back
boop,
here.
Beep boop. Beep boop.
Snurk just.
Beep boop.
Hello?
Beep
What
boop.
happened? What?
Snurk kidnapped the dead buddy. Was that a buddy bag?
Who?
Snurk. Snurk got the body. Like, or do you see her glowing? I see someone glowing. No, do you want to explain yourself? Saw you take Casseract's dead body.
No such thing ever happened.
Saw the buddy bag, Snurk.
I don't know what you're talking about, but
Snurk, you're literally
let's go have this
glowing.
conversation in private. Could we have this conversation in private?
I don't want to have that conversation in
There's just
private.
a lot of people here, and it's stressing me out.
So,
Honestly,
suspicions
that
against
is 2 minutes on the
everyone.
clock.
Snurk took
Yeah, I don't know
your
what they're talking about.
took Casserac's body, the dead body.
I never did that.
Oh.
And just to clarify.
What dead body? Where's the dead body?
There's
Who has a knife? Who has a knife?
Might be a alive again.
Simply.
Run, 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 run! Run! Coco!
What dead body?
Hello.
Oh, Chrysalis, you died!
Dead body.
Snurg took the dead bodies.
Hello.
Hello.
There was no dead
Why
body.
would you follow
Right.
Snurg if he's the killer?
No.
Bro, the
No, no.
lover roll is literally so bad. I hate it.
Oh, there were so many people here. I didn't think Snurg would kill in broad daylight.
Or is that just you?
He's killer. He's killer. Snurk's killer. Snurk's killer.
There's no dead body. There's no dead
Why
body.
is Snurg so good at this? Snurg, you were really good at this. Well, I thought you were a robot, Nick. What happened to the beat boops?
I'm dead now, so.
I just got back and got instantly killed.
Yeah, but you found it for no reason.
Oh, goodbye, guys.
Bye.
No.
Oh.
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 Oh, hey.
Oh.
Guys.
Hey,
guys.
Sorrow.
Oh, Sorrow's here now.
Hey, Sorrow.
Yes?
Hey, don't say that about Sorrow.
Oh my god, you guys were all sharing out one couch?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Giving four. Ah,
Oh my god.
again down, sir.
No way, guys!
Yeah.
Wait, Castrax, is that killer enough?
Is
Is
it
that killer enough?
Oh, you're short.
I'm gonna be right by your side. This
Oh, I
is
need
this
to
is
go.
the
I need
best.
to go.
Excuse me.
Snurg, you're short.
Okay.
This really sucks.
You guys.
Hmm.
I wonder why I know this.
Yeah.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Let us in, please.
Hey.
Let us.
Wait a minute.
Hello.
So,
What's up? Why are you yellow?
why do I not have
Skill
my book
issue.
glitched? What?
You should have a book.
I don't even. Wait, I don't. Do you guys have a
Did
note?
someone steal it from him? Did someone?
Pardon?
Wait,
Oh.
did somebody steal it from me?
Is
Maybe.
that possible?
No, they can't steal the book because everyone
Yeah,
has
they
a
can't
book.
take the guidebook.
Oh.
Oh wait, no, they can't. But what happened? Why do I
Something
not have a book?
happened.
This is not fair.
You just have to go. You Chrysalis, you just have
Aw. What is
You have
this?
to-
There's
Oh, I
3
need to get some
beds.
fresh air before I go insane.
to. Oh, okay. I need sleep actually.
Can I watch you sleep?
Listen, sure, but Chrysalis, if you're a killer, you don't want to kill me, please.
I am not a killer.
Okay, good. I got my sleep up. Nice.
Yay.
Yay.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Jesus
Boo.
Christ. You scared the living shite out of me.
I'm sorry. Came from nowhere.
Someone invisible?
I was just watching the view.
Oh, it is a nice view.
Someone's
It is.
Hello, Johanna.
Hello.
Coco, you
Oh,
got the
Coco!
way.
You were also?
Hi.
That was unexpected. I was not aware you
I
were.
kind of forgot you were there.
I need some fresh air. Hello there.
Oh, there's too many people in this train.
Hello there.
Clearly.
What were y'all doing in the back?
I'm not the killer.
Yeah, I kind of heard that. And I'm running.
Like, I'm not the killer.
I don't know. Like, I trust anything that comes out of this person's mouth.
Chris, am I the killer?
It's kind of like a Schrodinger's cat situation. You might be the killer, you might not.
Do not do the.
I was so
do not
chill,
do the
and then you
thing
just
with
said
the
that,
blazer
and now
with the cat.
my face just like.
What did Blaze do with the cat?
Sorry.
Like, who's a kiki?
But I can't.
Oh, I would never do
Florida,
that.
you thought all I had
That
was
is too
champagne
cringe.
and apple and
You know,
scary skeleton down your spines.
I don't like how it started.
On the
There's
light
too many
off.
people here. I don't like that. I don't like too many people.
Why?
To be fair, that's yeah.
That's very stupid. What a.
Hello?
Oh, you've got some very good ears. I don't know. After your last play,
Wait, I need to get
What
in this
room you
room,
in?
so-
Johanna has a gun.
Yeah, she is Nick
Johanna,
Kitchen.
Oh, can I join? Please,
Do not open it. Chris, you're not part of the Short King Alliance anymore. You betrayed
please, please. That was simply he infected my brain.
us.
I promise
Yeah.
it'll never happen again.
Why
Wait,
would you
Johanna,
listen
you
to
can-
simply?
You can
He's
stay
like he's
still
our
in
number
here
one
and then hold your
nemesis.
gun. Like, if you stay still enough long enough, you become.
I feel like I've missed
Oh,
something
yeah.
here.
Oh, you moved.
Yeah,
Yeah, but I
same here.
But go
Who
on.
has room 6's key? I want to get in here.
No,
Please.
you betrayed us.
No, it was simply I told you. He
Do you
infected
have
my
room
brain.
6?
You followed
No.
simply.
Oh, okay.
You were the first person I saw. I like how they said
I'm
welcome
lazy.
in and the door is not open.
I'm lazy. I can't miss it button.
Anibi's also waiting. What is this?
Say, wow, Nick, you're super cool.
Wow, Nicholas, you're super
Chris,
weird.
You need to say this with your heart. Just saying that Nick's cool.
Yep.
See, I
say from
You
the
need-
bottom of your heart.
I need to know that you mean it.
Oh, okay. I pass on this responsibility to Annie B.
No, Lobster said it had to be you.
Chris, it has to be you.
Oh. What?
What happened? What happened?
Wait, why are the killers happened?
Yeah, Ladybug is really curvy. Oh, did you hear that?
Did you just say what I think? Did you just say
What did you think I said?
really curvy? What the heck?
But Ladybug is very curvy.
Bro, what?
I don't know. Oh, I saw what happened with you and
What
Simply.
Oh yeah, like that's so, bro. Simply. was
That's
too
what you
greedy.
deserve. You thought you
Me?
could trust him. You can't trust Simply. This is room 1. Okay, don't die. Ooh, someone's glowing. Ah! Okay, my bad.
There you go.
I get scared easily. Oh, my bad. A nice room. People are sleeping on room 2. It's kind of underrated, I'll be honest. Room 2 is underrated. Ooh, let me do a little room tour. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my room tour. There's a door. There's a button. Oh, I see people.
I need to find some.
Nick, do you want to join me on this room tour?
I see people. You're a killer.
I'm not a killer.
You're a killer.
Wait, okay, everybody come in this room with me, so I'm safe. Well, I
I'm not a killer. You came into my room while I was sleeping.
Yeah, but when I was walking down, you said I see people. Like only killers can see through the walls.
No, do you not see the green people? I see. Oh,
Oh, you're the cook? Are you the cook or bartender?
perhaps. Perhaps.
He's the bartender or cook. If you can see green people if you're the bartender.
Yeah, I see green people.
Chris is French, by chance.
Je parle français. Je m'appelle Chris Alice.
Chugga chugga choo choo.
Au revoir.
Oh, you're too.
Damn. Okay, just a hunch. I think Lobster hates French people. Anyways, I feel like getting a snack, which is hilarious because I'm the cook. Should probably not be revealing my role like that. I can't wait to get this. Okay, who is this person?
You go. Little man, hello little man.
I'm sure. Why are you always tiny?
Little man, can I
Because
get
I'm
some food?
joking.
But like every single time.
How is that signal traffic?
Jesus Christ, I'm getting sandwiched.
Oh, Lobster's getting sandwiched.
I surely love lobster sandwiches.
Oh.
Still
traffic like that.
So much traffic.
I need a snack, mate. I'm hallucinating.
Yeah,
Chris, you're French, get out. Okay.
Sure, people. Aww.
Joking.
This is what you get.
Who was it?
You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Wait, that was so funny. I just panned. Oh. Ah!
Oh.
Run away. Someone's killing. So, like, I saw the knife.
The hell?
Oh, that was.
What happened there? The fuck?
A lot happened in, like, really quickly. Runaways are.
So how you can't even beat her without shooting?
Please, you can't be doing that.
Please, with you.